Well, hey guys, today is April the 22nd, Sunday of 2018. I run into a little problem and I kind of wanted to pass it on to everybody. Home Depot and Lowe's right now are really competing with each other strongly. I get online and I'm looking at Home Depot and Lowe's. I always go and place everything in the cart when I'm doing this, and that way I can get an idea on pricing. And Home Depot and Lowe's, my nearest local stores, are a 1 hour drive from me, from where we live at. And while I was placing all this merchandise in this cart on Home Depot, I saw, delivery to store or free home delivery. And I'm like, they can't be delivering, 75, 8-foot T-post to me, free delivery an hour from the nearest store, surely. I get on there, I fill my cart, I contact a little girl or somebody on chat, whoever it was, and I said, can you see my cart? And they go, yeah. And I go, there's, T-post and 4 rolls of 100-foot welded wire fencing. I said, you're telling me this is going to be free home delivery? And she said, yes. I said, how are you going to get that to me when UPS or FedEx cannot carry all those posts or that wire? I know they can't. They won't do it. We'll have it delivered to you. I said, well, what kind of truck? I said, I can't have a semi-truck deliver this to me because there's no way to get it to my house. And she said, oh, we'll get it to you. Don't worry about that. I said, okay. So this was on the 8th. Part of the order came in. Insulators, all the little small stuff, it came UPS. I mean, it was there in 3 days. I got it here at the house. But here I am sitting waiting on this other order that weighs 1,155 pounds. 15th, I believe it was. I was in that Home Depot store shopping for some more stuff, and my phone rings, and the guy goes, hey, I've got your order ready, and we're delivering it tomorrow. And I said, good deal, man. And like I say, we're an hour now from this store, and he was only just about 2 blocks from this Home Depot. I said, buddy, how are you going to get this thing to me? He goes, semi. I go, well, how are you going to get a semi to my house? He goes, well, we're just supposed to deliver it. I said, well, I don't have a forklift or a dock. He goes, oh, Home Depot does this to us all the time. You got to call Home Depot. I said, well, I'm in Home Depot. Hung up from him, and I went to the front desk, and I talked to this young lady, and I tell her the story. And she looks just flabbergasted when I tell her that I got a 1,100-pound free delivery, and it's stuck at a trucking company, and it can't be delivered to me. And she's like, well, you need to get a hold of HomeDepot.com. I said, I don't think so. I said, you're my local store. They have to go through a bunch of stuff, get the manager up there. The manager says, man, I don't know what to do, but we'll figure out something. I said, okay, that's no problem. So now this is the 15th. It's supposed to be delivered the next day. Well, by the time I get home, it's already changed to the 18th. I guess the trucking company figured out they wasn't going to make it. They was going to give Home Depot 2 days to figure out what to do. Well, the 18th comes around, and it's still stuck in this truck terminal in Jonesboro, Arkansas. And I have already chatted like 4 times. I've called the store twice. I've talked to the trucking company twice. And they're all wanting me to get my truck, my trailer, and come and pick this up. And I'm saying, no, sir, I'm not going to pick it up. It's free home delivery. So finally they say, okay, we'll put a special team to work on this, and we'll figure out how to get it from that trucking company to your home. Now, I'm going to tell you, I know this for a fact. The guy at the trucking company told me that the pallet was 10 foot long, 1,155 pounds on it. So they're going to have to break down this pallet now, put it on another truck, and I guess they're going to use something with a tail lift, a tailgate lift or something, and they're going to have to pay another company to get that to me. So I ordered it on the 8th, and they're telling me it'll be here the 30th. They've already changed the date twice.